Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find your profile section on your account on Claude easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application and then click here on this flash and then click on your profile icon up here, and here we find the profile. So click on the profile. So as you see here, the profile, you can change your full name, what should we call you, so you can change it also. And here if you want to delete your account, so that's how to find your profile and manage it easy and quickly. So no so after if you want to change something, just click update profile and it will be changed, it will be updated. So that's it, and that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.